Tired of spending hours in the kitchen just to make moi moi? Here in today's video, I will show you how to make soft, tasty Nigerian moi moi in the beginner-friendly way and in 3 easy ways of cooking. Whether you love it steamed, baked or microwaved, or easy way to wrap your moi moi leaf, I have got you covered with stress-free methods that still taste like home. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment for more African recipes and for more healthy and active recipes ideas. Kindly watch till the end for the full recipe and useful tips. Let's check out some of the ingredients. Raw beans or bean flour, and then some pepper, rodo and bawa or tatashe, ginger, garlic and onions, then egg, fish, you can use corned beef, lettuce, this is optional but we'll check this out later, crayfish, both the grounded and ungrounded. So let's begin proper with the washing. This is a step-by-step tutorial, beginner friendly. We are going to scrub this. You don't need to soak it for 5 minutes at all. Just add in your water and then you peel this out immediately. Just keep on scrubbing. As you're scrubbing, the brown part is coming outside. Then you use your water to get the peel out of the scrubbed beans. You will continue this process until all the brown parts are all gone. And now we have the white skin. It's okay if you can still see some brown parts, it's okay. So now let's get our pepper ready with onions, garlic and ginger. Let's prep this, wash, rinse and we mix it with the white beans. And for the green, this is optional. So if you're looking to add greens to your moi moi, ugu, which is fluted pumpkin, or spinach, even lettuce or scent leaf can be used. It is not traditional though and may not work for everyone. But what these greens does to the moi moi is that they add flavor and nutrients. It is time for blending. Add enough water before blending for smooth blending, which is going to give us a soft, tasty moi moi, which is also known as steamed bean cake. You can get complete access to my recipe cookbooks and other ebooks on easy to make homemade recipes from your food, hair, skin, baking and all recipes. Check out the description box below to see how you can access them. This is after blending. At this point, if you find out that your batter is not light enough, then you can add some hot water to it so that you can have a soft moi moi. Here is another tip. Go in with some vegetable oil with some of our ingredients, blended crayfish and the unblended crayfish, with salt, seasoning, natural spices of your choice, and then you mix this together. Add in the mixture into the batter and then you mix thoroughly. The first cooking method we will be using is the leaf moi moi leaf. So many people do find this difficult to wrap, but we are going to show you the easiest way to wrap your moi moi leaf to perfection. Then we will bring to steaming. So before wrapping, let us arrange the steaming process. Go in with some water into your pot or pan. Then you can use some of the moi moi leaf, some of the leaves or banana leaf too. After arranging the leaves on the water, this is the moi moi leaf stick, the stick we got from the roots. Now let's begin with the easy wrapping. Let's take a look at it again the second time. Here is another steaming method, the mold or heat-proof bowls. So we are going to rub in some oil to avoid sticking to the pan. After rubbing, we go in gently with our batter. Carefully pour hot water into the pan or pot until it reaches about halfway up the sides of the moi moi container. And for the baking methods, you can use muffin tin or baking dish. Rub in some oil into the pan. After rubbing, we then go in with the batter, and on the baking tray we are going to add in some water. You may be wondering why we needed to add water on the baking tray since we are baking it. Adding some water to the baking tray will create steam for even cooking. It will prevent burning, and it is also for moist texture, for the moi moi to be moist. You can follow us on all our displayed social media handles and let us become friends and advance together. How do we check for doneness in the moi moi? For the leaf wrap, at some point, dip your hand in some cold water and then press the moi moi wrap. You can find out if it has formed or not. And for the steaming method using the pan, you can check for doneness by inserting toothpick. If your toothpick come out smooth, then it is ready. If not, you still have to allow to steam. For the baking method, same as the steaming method, also dip in some toothpick, and if it come out smooth, then it is ready. Which one are you trying first, or which of these 3 easy methods will be your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, comment, subscribe, turn on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever we drop a new video for more beginner friendly dishes and recipes.